Julie wakes up and walks to the window. She sees her medicine on the windowsill, and beside it is a lily flower with a smiling face.
Good morning! Don't forget to buy me seeds.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Julie exits the house, realizing that the flower is watching her every move from inside. Julie walks around the neighborhood, greeting her neighbors who are all smiling and friendly. She approaches her best friend, who is leaning against the wall with a missing poster beside
Vista. Is everything alright?
Yeah, I'm fine. Just leave me alone.
Julie walks away, respecting her friend's wish to be alone. Julie enters the store and approaches the counter.
Hi, I would like to purchase flower lilies.
What kind of seeds?
Oh, just the regular ones. Will be right.
That will be 25 pesos.
Keep the change.
Julie returns home and gives the seed to the lily flower.
Thank you, Julie.
Yes, you're welcome.
Julie takes her medication and lies down on her bed. The next day, Julie noticed the neighborhood looks different. The colors seem muted and atmosphere feels eerie. She approaches her best friend who is leaning against a wall with a missing poster beside him.
Okay.
Julie tries to run back home, but her legs feel heavy. She's terrified. She sees her neighbors standing still, their faces covered with black scribbles. As Julie approaches her house, she sees her neighbors standing on the stairs, staring at her. She screams and takes a step back. In the darkness, Julie's best friends appear, pale and emotionless.
It's not your fault, Julie.
The friend raises the flower lily to hit Julie.
Julie, wake up. Julie, we're sick about you.
Julie wakes up surrounded by her concerned friends and neighbors. Julie looks at her friends and neighbors, but suddenly she feels dizzy again, and her vision blurs. She passes out and
Julie!
screams her name.
It's not your fault, Julie. It's not your fault, Julie. Julie!
Wow! 1, 2, 3, go.
It's not your fault, Julie.
Hindi pa ba sapat? Magpapahirap ako.
3, go.